think the secret to getting rich is picking the perfect winning stock before anyone else? It's a complete myth. Most long-term investors fail for reasons that have absolutely nothing to do with picking the right ticker symbol. If building wealth is just basic math, why do so many people fall completely short of their financial goals? The hard truth is that investing isn't a math test, it's a psychology test. Today, we are breaking down the two massive traps that wipe out everyday investors and exactly how you can avoid them. Let's get into it. Reason number one, emotional panic during a market crash. When the market dives and your portfolio bleeds red, human nature screams at us to sell everything and run to safety. But giving into that fear is the absolute worst thing you can do. Let's look at the massive market crash in March 2020. Researchers tracked what happened to investors who panicked and moved their money to cash at the bottom of the crash versus those who just stayed put and did nothing. The results are shocking. The investors who fled to cash saw a negative 2% return by the end of the year, while the investors who kept their standard stock and bond mix earned a massive 21%. Panicking actively destroys your wealth. In fact, the absolute biggest error retail investors make is interrupting their compounding early just because they get scared. So how do you fix this? You put your money on autopilot using a strategy called dollar cost averaging. You invest a fixed amount of money every single month, completely ignoring what the news says. When the market crashes, your fixed amount automatically buys more shares on sale. This totally eliminates your emotional bias and forces you to buy low. Reason number two most investors fail: chasing short-term hype and trying to time the market. We all want to buy the winners and ditch the losers, but constantly jumping in and out of the market to catch the next big trend rarely ends in success. The reality is, it is basically impossible to predict which segments of the market will lead the pack from year to year. More importantly, trying to time the market is statistically dangerous. Hard financial data proves that if you miss just the 10 best trading days in a single decade, you will cut your long-term returns in half. Let that sink in. Missing just 10 days over 10 years destroys half your wealth. The real secret to wealth isn't timing the market. It's time in the market. You need to let compound interest do the heavy lifting. If you just stay disciplined, keep your costs low, and never interrupt the math, the back-heavy exponential curve of compounding will explode your wealth. Stop trying to guess the next big stock and stop panicking when the market turns red. Automate your investing, stay the course, and let time make you rich. Hit subscribe for more real-world wealth strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.